Previously, I went on an exciting hotel stay at Park Royal Pickering and documented my life there. The video got over 200 views. Thank you guys so much for the support there. At the end of the video, I promise you guys also that I'll be back with another hotel series. And guess what? I'm back at it again, but this time round at a different hotel. Good morning. I can't skate! Like a robot. I can't skate. So one thing that I find really interesting is this toilet bowl. It's completely automatic and it kind of reminds me of the Japanese toilets because they have all these buttons that it will spray water out, I guess. Wondering where is it? Oh, have one here. Then you have one more down there. Pretty interesting. So we are going for dinner now and we are having dinner at a restaurant at a different hotel, which is right there, this red thing up there. So we're at the other hotel now and we're about to eat dinner. It was one of these. if I'm not wrong, like where I took one of my videos at. I think it should be this one. And afterwards, I remember saying that as though I'm in overseas, that line. I feel as though I'm in overseas. That line or something. Yeah. Overall, the view here is really nice. Got the museum there, surrounded by buildings, and hotel is there. So I added a little bit too much of shower and body essence, and the whole tub is filled with bubbles and I can't get them off, which is a really bad idea. And I even got some bubbles on the tap as well. I'm trying to kind of dissolve all this, like hopefully all these bubbles will be gone soon. It's too much bubbles and oh my gosh. Yeah, it's really funny because I'll be showing you guys like a footage of the bathroom in the afternoon when I used the bathtub. The whole toilet floor was flooded because I was a little bit too excited on the bathtub. I was a little bit too excited, so I was literally playing with the water. I was literally playing it, and the whole bathroom floor was flooded, and I think some of the towels down there were extremely wet, and I had to call the room services to also clean up our room because we kind of missed the morning part where they clean it. So when we went out for lunch this afternoon, I actually called the hotel services and let them know that our room needs some cleaning, and I'm really guilty of making the toilet flood, and I'm apologizing right now. I'm so sorry. Okay, so it's time for the final hotel experience and review. First of all, this bed is extremely comfortable, I would say. Okay, first night, I didn't sleep well. It was really difficult because whenever one of us adjusts or like fidget a little bit, we would get affected because of the friction sound of the quilt, like, you know, this. I couldn't sleep till 3 a.m. in the morning, and afterwards I managed to sleep like until 8. Second day was probably the best one ever. I slept at about, I think, 11, and I just slept all the way till 8 this morning again. There's like paintings on the wall showing the past history of Singapore and the streets there. Overall, it has been an amazing experience to be able to stay in this hotel. I'm not sure exactly when the third series will come up, but maybe soon. I just want to thank you guys so much for watching this video. Although there's not much talking involved this time around in this video, I hope you guys still enjoy it. That's all. See you guys soon again, and goodbye to this hotel. Bye. Peace. The best Hokkaido ice cream.
Best Gangnam
Oh. We're here. We'll be eating inside this building.
What do we come on? Nigel, I think we passed the room already, is it?
Oh. Just nice.